Hey everyone, Mr. Voikin here, and for today's assignment, I want you to create a website with multiple pages and add in a bunch of the elements that we've learned and investigate a few new elements. So I made one on things I need to become a race car driver. I've got my home page right here, and I've got a page on Mario Andretti, Dale Earnhardt, Richard Petty, AJ Foyt, and Jacques Villeneuve. Okay, so I just made a few ordered lists right here. Notice that this one is going from number 1 through 4, and all the text is italicized, so it's good for you to learn how to use the italicization element, and that's separated by another line of text and using the paragraph element. And then I have another ordered list that is starting at number 5, so continuing on from the other list right here. So see if you can figure out how to do that, and then we want to take all the text that's in that ordered list and make it bold. And finally, another line of text followed by sort of my top 5 race car drivers starting at number 5. So in this case, I have reversed the order of the list. Instead of going from 1 to 5, I've made it go from 5 to 1. And up at the top, I've got a title. And you can add whatever elements you want to this and style it up however you want. But I want you guys to focus on getting some buttons put in. So up top I've got a home button. When I click that, it takes me to my home page, which is called racing.com homepage. And if I click on the next button, which is Andretti, you can see up in the little tab it says we're on the Mario Andretti page. The buttons are still there. The title was changed. And what I added right here is called a block quote. So right here I said this line that I've highlighted is a paragraph followed by this section, which is a block quote. So it uses that element, block quote. And that was just grabbed out of a website that has a biography on Mario Andretti. And if you click on it right here, it goes to that web page. Now, right now, I've got it set up to open within the same tab, but we don't really want to do that. We don't want to create a website and drive people away from it and send them to another one, and they're completely left ours. So we want to try and set that up so when you click right here, it's going to open a new tab and keep us on this page. And you should be able to go back to your home page and between all of these. Now, I haven't put anything inside this one. Just basically a title, a title, a title, and a title. So when you're doing this, if I notice that on every one of these tabs, I'm using the same buttons up top. So I'm creating them all within my index.html page, and then I'm going to open some new pages and give them their title, and then basically just copy and paste everything from the index.html into those. I've got pages called Andretti.html, Earnhardt.html, etc. So anything that's going to be standard and repeated from page to page, you at this point we can just copy and paste it back into there. Okay, and there are better ways to sort of do some formatting without having to copy and paste tons of text, but we'll get to that later with some CSS. Okay, but for now, what I want you to do is create a website on whatever you want. Your something about music, if you're into music, or if you're into skateboarding, something about skateboarding. If you're into gaming, something about gaming. And I just want you to have 6 different pages. So a home page, as well as 5 other pages, and I want you to be including some hyperlinks between the pages and some links to other websites, hopefully opening in a new tab, and again using some of the elements and attributes that we've learned to this point. Okay, so hopefully this you'll be successful and get this done. Thanks.